the past couple of years, the use of artificial intelligence has recently taken off, quickly becoming a part of many people's daily lives. It's now so accessible and easy to use that local homeowners in Santa Barbara have quietly begun to use free AI tools to help plan renovations, design their own businesses, and so much more.
ChatGPT, show me a picture of this bathroom with the black tile instead of the white.
I used AI to design my home most recently to help with choosing tile in a bathroom shower remodel. So I feel like a lot more people are beginning to use AI to help with home projects and just all aspects of life.
And she's not wrong. In the US, 34% of adults say they have used ChatGPT. That number has roughly doubled from 2023. But it's not just adults. Kids are constantly finding ways to use AI as well.
I would definitely recommend AI for other aspiring businesses because it allows you to compile information in one place, and it's a really good tool to use. AI definitely helped with the website design, and it helped us refine our ideas. I don't think it's going to take away from personal creativity. I think more it allows you to enhance more what your ideas really want to be. So I think it's a good tool to use.
AI has big benefits, but it also impacts the environment. Data centers use a lot of water for cooling. MIT estimates about 8 cups of water for every kilowatt hour of energy consumption.
I think one of my biggest concerns about AI is its impact on the environment and how much water it uses. I think that AI can be very helpful in a lot of fields. I just am concerned that sometimes it dampens the creative process.
From home projects to side hustles, AI tools that seemed unimaginable just years ago are now being used on almost every house in the block. Whether this surge in usage will ultimately prove to be for better or for worse remains to be seen. But it's proof that our small town, just like the rest of the world, is adapting faster than many people realize. Reporting for DP News, this has been Xenia Potter.